Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix Add Yours template not working on Instagram. So if you guys would like to go ahead and fix this issue that your Add Yours template is not necessarily showing on the Instagram application and it's not working, what we need to go ahead and do first in order for us to fix this is to launch the Instagram application. Now once we're here, I want you to proceed with tapping on the plus icon or going through this option to take a quick photo and then tapping on your stickers option to tap on the Add Yours template. Now if you are having trouble with creating your Add Yours template, what we need to do is just go ahead and start with a blank canvas. Now you can choose ready-made templates given by the Instagram application, but just by tapping on this dice option, and you can also scroll through these if you'd like. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with blank, and what we need to do from here is to go ahead and place our Add Yours sticker anywhere we'd like, and then proceed with adding some text. So we could actually proceed with saying that add your best photo this 2024. Let's tap on done. You can place this anywhere you'd like on the screen. This will be a part of the template, and for those confused, if you cannot add specific text through this, all we need to do is to add it first from this section, adding some stickers as well if we'd like, and then tapping on this again, and then of course tapping on the text to pin it. So from here, just tap on done. Of course, others can now edit this text with this template since we have already pinned it on the template, as you would notice, highlighted by this white background. And once that is done, just tap on add story, and that's how you guys can easily go ahead and create your Add Yours template if in the case that you are having some troubles creating one. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.